Welcome to AGRIMECHANICS, where farm machines become the superheroes of fields and mountains. Ever imagined a harvester climbing hills like a race car? Or a tractor pulling off epic drifts in the middle of a wheat field? If you thought farm machinery only moves in straight lines, get ready to be amazed. Here, we don't just talk about technology. We live with every spin of these massive machines. Hit subscribe and join AGRIMECHANICS to witness unbelievable performances from the world of agricultural machinery. The technology for harvesting wheat on mountain and hillside farms has made remarkable advancements, enhancing productivity and efficiency on challenging terrains. Harvesting machines equipped with advanced hydraulic transmission systems allow the machinery to operate flexibly across all types of uneven and sloping terrains. This hydraulic system enables the machine to adapt seamlessly to the changing angles of the land, maintaining high stability and minimizing wheel slip during the harvesting process. Notably, the system also adjusts traction and speed according to the slope, ensuring a continuous harvesting process and reducing losses and damage to crops. This advanced technology makes wheat harvesting in mountainous areas easier, more efficient, and safer, helping farmers optimize their work on complex lands. In addition, this harvesting technology brings significant economic and environmental benefits. Thanks to its ability to operate continuously and accurately on all types of terrain, the harvester helps minimize material waste, optimize the harvesting process, and reduce labor costs. Specifically, the hydraulic transmission system saves energy, reduces emissions, and protects soil from erosion caused by farming on hills and mountains. With these benefits, modern harvesting technology not only aids mountain farmers in improving efficiency, but also contributes to the sustainable development of the agricultural industry. This truly represents an important advancement in the application of science and technology to agricultural production, helping to effectively harness the potential of challenging lands. Additionally, the harvesting machine with a hydraulic transmission system is designed for easy maintenance and operation, helping farmers save on repair costs and extend the equipment's lifespan. With its flexible structure, the machine can be adjusted to accommodate various types of crops, not only wheat, but also corn, beans, and other grains. This expands the machine's application potential in diverse farming practices, meeting agricultural production needs in mountainous areas. This technology not only brings high economic efficiency, but also improves the quality of life for farmers by reducing heavy labor. With the combination of advanced technology and sustainability, the hydraulic harvesting machine for hilly terrain has become an indispensable tool for modern farmers, elevating agriculture to a new level and driving development in remote and challenging mountainous regions. Moreover, the presence of advanced hydraulic harvesting technology has transformed the landscape of mountain agriculture, where harvesting work was previously limited and dependent on manual labor. Harvesters capable of traversing rugged terrains have enabled farmers to expand their cultivated areas, unlocking the potential of sloped lands and contributing to increased yields and income. This technology also opens up significant opportunities to establish modern farms that apply high-tech solutions, alleviating labor burdens and enhancing agricultural productivity. As a result, farmers in mountainous regions are not only more self-sufficient in production, but also gain access to larger markets, increasing the value of their produce and solidifying the distinctive agricultural brand of their region. The combination of durability, safety, and environmental friendliness has made hydraulic wheat harvesting technology a comprehensive solution for mountainous agriculture. This is a testament to how technology can overcome the limitations of terrain and natural conditions, bringing substantial long-term benefits to mountain farming communities. The emergence of advanced hydraulic harvesting technology is not merely a technical improvement, but also opens a new chapter for mountain agriculture. With its ability to conquer all terrains and deliver superior efficiency, this technology is gradually replacing traditional harvesting methods, helping farmers save time and costs while increasing productivity. This creates a significant leap forward in harnessing and developing the potential of challenging lands, transforming areas once limited by terrain into efficient and sustainable agricultural production zones. This technology truly serves as the key to usher mountain agriculture into a new era, where farmers can cultivate and develop with confidence. Built on modern technological foundations, harvesters equipped with hydraulic systems have provided mountain farmers with access to advanced and highly automated production methods. This technology is not merely a harvesting aid, but also promotes local economic development, creates more jobs, and improves the quality of life within the community. With the potential to expand cultivation areas without facing terrain-related challenges, farmers can optimize productivity without impacting the environment. Like a true revolution in mountain agriculture, hydraulic harvesting technology is actively contributing to building a more sustainable and prosperous agricultural future. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming content about modern agriculture. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your feedback.